They just remind me of Reeboks. I don't know why I'm smelling them, but they smell so fresh. I'm not really a trainer type of girl, but recently I've been really getting into trainers. I could just find them more comfortable. I used to wear heels all the time, and now I'm just like, ugh, I can't be bothered. Welcome back to my video. So today we're doing an unboxing of the Adidas Yeezy new trainers. I got them a while back, but I never actually did an unboxing, so let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, if you are an Adidas fan, if you are a Bouji in London fan, well actually you wouldn't know if you would, but you will become. Yes, you will. So what I would like you to do is to hit that subscribe button right now. I'm going to give you a few seconds for you to hit that subscribe button. Have you hit the subscribe button? Okay, let's get into the video. So like I said, I need to, okay, there's my address. So these are the Yeezy Powerphase trainers. I got them a few weeks ago, but I just never, I never opened it up. So I thought I'd open it up for you guys. I'll do the unboxing and then I will go through like my whole experience and why I think it's a hoax. So they just come in an Adidas Originals blue box. You open it up, they just come like so. And then these are the Yeezy Powerphase Calabasas trainers. To be honest, I don't really get the hype. Like, I thought these were really pretty. I think they're prettier if they're smaller. And I do have small feet. I am a 3, 3.5, 4 sometimes, depending on what I'm buying. Sometimes I'm actually a 2.5. Like in my Chanel trainers, I'm a 2.5. I love the colour. Like, grey is my favourite colour. These are the Calabasas trainers. However, they just look like old style Reeboks. So I don't really get the hype because I don't think it's like kind of original. They just remind me of Reeboks. I don't know why I'm smelling them, but they smell so fresh. I'm just gonna put them back in the box. Like any trainers, they're just wrapped with tissue. I'm not really a trainer type of girl, but recently I've been really getting into trainers. I could just find them more comfortable. I used to wear heels all the time, and now I'm just like, ugh, I can't be bothered. So I'm gonna talk you through the process of these. So I am with the Adidas Confirmed app. They sent me a notification saying that in a few days these will go live. I don't know if they tell you like months before when it's going to come out. You just know kind of, I just knew like a few days, and luckily I had money in my account, so I was like, don't own a pair of Yeezys, and I've been wanting to get a pair for ages, so I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. You get the notification and then you sign up and it tells you on that date. So that date was the 7th of December. It said on that date that basically I just needed to be live on my phone on the 7th of December and be in that location. So my chosen location was London, and that's what I did. On the day, I think it was a release, let's say, so on the day, I think it's like 9 in the morning, where you log onto the app and then you have to like do a series of tests. Like I think it's like click the picture that has the cars, and I was like click, 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 and then basically it was like you don't have any trainers. And I was like, well, this sucks. And they were like, you can go online. So I went online. To be fair, like I did fall asleep for half an hour when I was online. So I was online, like I was like one of the first people in the queue online. And then I literally woke up and it was like, oh, you've like been selected to take a pair of trainers. So then when I did take the pair of trainers, the only sizes that were left was 4.5, which I was like devastated because I really want a pair of Yeezys. I've been trying to get them for ages and I just never get them. So I was like, once again, I never get them, and then I get my wrong size. So I just thought, okay, I'll just buy them since I had the opportunity to buy them. And I was like, I'll just buy them and I'll resell them on eBay or something like that. It was my day off, so basically I was just like so tired. I went back to sleep, and when I went back to sleep, I woke up an hour later and everything was sold out. So it was a good thing that I kind of got them, but I didn't get them on my size. I really wanted to get them in the 3.5, but they were all sold out. There are some websites where you can still buy them. A lot of the websites previously have been closed down. A lot of the Instagram accounts have been closed down because I don't know if they're fraudulent or not, but my friend says there's this website. I don't know if it's correct or not, but she was like, you can go on there, but they charge you double the price. So I think I wanted the grey Yeezys that came out recently, and they charge you 350 or something like that for a pair. But for me, this was quite easy, but it's not my size, so I will be selling them. I'll be selling them on my Depop. I'll leave the link below of my Depop if you do want to purchase these. They're a 4.5, brand new. You just saw me do the unboxing, so you know they're brand new. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little video, a little unboxing. People always say, why do people do unboxings? Like, some people at work are like, why do you do unboxings? For me, when I want to buy a bag or a shoe, I actually do go on YouTube first and like check out unboxing so I can see what it looks like, and then I purchase the item. So I thought, let me do an unboxing, and then if you do want to purchase the item, you can get it from my Depop. But that's all, folks. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to connect with me on my social media, I've got my Instagram links down below. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, then why not share this video? And I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to always stay what? Bougie.